All right, this release, if you behind your screen is sitting a lot, you're doing some sport or normal sport, it doesn't matter, sedentary life and sitting will desensitize your butt muscles and make them thick, make the fascia thicker and create tension in the lower back and reduce mobility on the hips. So what I'm about to show you now is a myofascial releases where you can use a small size ball or a kettlebell from 6 to 12 kilos. How often should you be doing that? I would say every 2 or 3 days, ideally. And right now I'm about to show you the technique on how to release the big glute muscle, the glute max. Let's go. So for this video, we're going to do a classic one, a classic for the glutes. What we tend to forget as well is that the glutes, your butt, are linked to your back. Most of the time when you have tension on your lower back, this tension can be relieved by releasing, rehydrating the tissue of the glutes, the butt, the buttocks. Okay, classic position we can do is we start in this position. If I treat the right side, I put my leg like this. If I cannot put my leg like this, it's okay. I can start like this and I put the ball like if I'm trying to sit on it, sit on this side. This is my hip bone right there and I'm just a little bit above the hip bone on the line, just right there. And I look for some tender spot. Right here, there's a nice tender spot already, so I can stay here and just gently roll and stay on it, stay on the spot. You can move your leg a little bit. Ideally, if you cannot put your leg off, the right leg above the other one, try to bring the leg a bit more down and then it might be easier for you to put the leg like this. What is happening now is I'm lengthening the tissue to create a bit more tension, which create a bit more pain as well. Like right here, there's a nice spot, so I stay here. I can go up closer to the iliac crest, so the bone here, my hip bone, where my lower back starts, this is it. I'm going close to it and back up, making sure I'm not touching my sacrum, okay? And I look for some tender spots, like right here. And I can also change, I don't have to stay cross-legged. I can also go here, that's it. If you do not have this ball, this is a kettlebell. Kettlebell works also fine as well, except you cannot roll, but you're gonna have to move your body on it. So right there, I find a spot. I stay here, and you can even find different spots and just wait for the release. Obviously, these small balls are ideal because you can roll and really engage a bit more, but the kettlebell does the job as well. This is what I started with years ago. That is it for the Gluteus Maximus release for the lower back. Hope you enjoyed that one. Keep it up. So how was it for you? How do you feel afterwards? Remember what I always tell you guys, that to feel the before and after, so that you, when you know that this sort of tension happens, you know what to do afterwards. Don't jump on the ball like there's no tomorrow, not even feeling first. Feeling is probably the most powerful thing you can do for your body, to be able to feel, so that you don't need to build the tension build up to the point where, sorry for the word, but shit hits the fan, okay? And remember, there's no one solution that fits all. This, what I'm giving you now, is just 5 to 6% of the solution of your lower back pain that you're facing, or whatever you're facing, okay? Remember that, do not abuse it. If you guys find this video very helpful, click on the like button. This time I didn't make a mistake. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more videos like this. Keep it up.